Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring from your Moto G34 to any Android TV. First of all, in your Moto G34, go to the settings. Go to settings page. Then go to network and internet, then go to hotspot and tethering and turn on Wi-Fi hotspot. Turn on Wi-Fi hotspot and click over Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can change hotspot name, hide my device, security, etc. For demo purpose, I set security to none, but you have to use your password because other strangers may connect to your hotspot. So to protect for security purpose, always use security. Okay, just I have created Wi-Fi hotspot here, and this hotspot should be connected to the TV. So go to TV now and select settings there. Select settings, then here select additional settings, then network and internet, and turn on Wi-Fi. Signal from your phone will be available here. This is hotspot signal. Just click it and your TV will be connected to your phone through hotspot. Connected successfully. Now come to your phone. Come to your phone and go to Google Play Store and search Google Home. Search with the term Google Home. Search button is available here. Just search Google Home and install Google Home app. Just install Google Home app. You have to wait few seconds for downloading and installing. Yes, it's downloaded now and it's installing. Just wait. You go to search Google Home app in the Play Store and install. Just wait. Yes, installed, and open Google Home app now. Click on open and click on get started. Click on get started and click on next. Give all permissions. Click on OK. Then click on next. Give all permissions. Location access is asked. Click on next. Give all permissions. Then it will ask you to turn on Wi-Fi. Just click on activate and it will ask you to turn on Wi-Fi, but don't do it because hotspot will be disconnected. So just instead of activating, just go to home page and then again open the same app, Google Home. Open Google Home and click next. Now signal from your TV will be showing. Click on devices and signal will be showing. That is Android TV is now showing here. Just click it and click on cast my screen. Click on cast screen. Click on start now. And phone screen is now in TV. See there. Casting to screen has ended. It's showing like that. Again open, cast my screen, cast screen, start now. Android screen casting is going. Just wait. But it has ended. Something went wrong.